We are the Sprayberry STEM Moon Explorers in Sprayberry High School located in Marietta, Georgia. Our team ID is 23441.
Our farm is reminiscent of an ant farm in its design aspects such as the front and back panel being see-through plexiglass. Our pot accounts for our experiment, which focuses on the distance of water sources from the designated seed. And it is able to supply this source of water through beakers in the back that are filled up with water, and the water in those beakers is delivered to the water source in the plant through water wicks, so sort of an irrigation system.
Although our experimental trials did not show clear correlation between the directionality and the hydrogel's vertical column, it did show that when compared to our control group, the roots on the control go straight down, whereas the experimental groups show that there's a favoritism towards the hydrogel, showing that on the distance closer to the hydrogel, there's longer roots and a wider heel when compared to the roots away from the hydrogel. They're shorter and yellow, which is an indicator that there's less growth in those sides.
I learned that black-eyed peas are strong and hardy plants and can tolerate drastic environments. For future research, I would better consider geotropism into the experiment. And the coolest thing I discovered was the root growth towards the hydrogel, the vine growth, and the fact that you can grow plants in lunar regolith.
A word of advice for future students: being consistent with meetings is important, as every meeting you miss, time is wasted, and as the growth period is very short, I also recommend you stay on top of your measurements as well, and knowing your materials such as your regolith mixture, the seeds that you're using to plant on the soil, and what you're using to hydrate the soil.
We are the Sprayberry STEM Moon Explorers Team 1, and we have planted the moon.